So for this problem, what we're going to do is use this equation that I have up on the board to solve it. And basically we have to plug in these values. So we know that the initial velocity here is 30 meters per second as it's telling us, and the acceleration is 1.62 negative, and that the initial place where it starts is at 0. And we have that y of t, the height equals 180, so that equals 30t minus 0.81 t squared. Now we're going to go ahead and simplify this. So make it positive minus 30t plus 180 equals 0. And this is basically the quadratic formula. And we plug in the numbers. So we have 30 plus or minus the square root of 30 squared minus 4 times AC, which is 145.8, divided by 2 times A, and A is 0.81. So when we simplify this, the plus equals 29, and the minus equals 7.5. So in this case, the answer is 8 seconds. So we know that it's going to take 7.5 seconds for that rock to fall.